Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add HTML code to your Canva website. This is perfect if you want to embed forms, videos, maps, or any kind of widget inside your Canva design. First, open Canva, either in your browser or the app. Click Create, then choose Custom Size. Set it to 100 by 100 pixels. This tiny canvas will act as a placeholder for your HTML content. If you want it bigger, you can adjust the size anytime. Now choose a template or start from scratch. This step is optional, but it helps make your page look more polished. Next, look at the left-hand toolbar and click Apps. In the search bar, type Embed. Select the Embed app. Here's something important. Canva does not accept raw HTML code directly. Instead, it requires a public link from a tool that already hosts the HTML. For this example, we'll use JotForm. Go to JotForm, create a simple form, and copy the public link. Now go back to Canva. In the Embed box, paste that link and click Embed. Your form will instantly appear as a live, interactive element inside your design. You can resize it, move it around, or place it in any layout you're creating. This method works for many things: surveys, maps, videos, countdown widgets, music players, and more. If the embed looks too large or too small, simply adjust your canvas size until everything fits perfectly. And that's it. Super simple. If this helped you, make sure to like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.